Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete your Codecademy account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in codecademy.com and click on Enter. You'll be directed to the official page of Codecademy. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, at the top navigation bar under your profile icon, click on it. Now click on Account Plus Billing option here. After that, at the left hand side of your screen, you can see Delete Account tab. Click on it and you will see Relogin to Continue button. Click on that button. Now you will need to type in your information here. Type in your email address or username on this field and type in your password here. After that, click on Login button. Now check this box here. After that, click on Delete Account button. So that is how you can delete your Codecademy account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.